There once was a little bird named Tefah who lived in a great olive tree at the edge of the Tefah garden. Tefah had a bright voice, she loved to sing, and the whole garden would listen. One day, a Malak gave Tefah a tiny glowing seed and whispered, "This is a thunder seed." It is not for planting yet. Keep it under your wing until the time is right. Tefah nodded, she was proud. She took the seed beneath her wing and returned to her nest. But later that day, while playing with other birds, one of them said something funny, and Tefah, without thinking, laughed. "I have a thunder seed." All the birds went silent. One asked, "What's that?" Tefah's wings trembled. "Oh, I wasn't supposed to say that, was I?" She flew back to her tree, tears falling like rain. That night the Malak came again and said, "Tefah, your tongue slipped, but Yahweh saw your heart." Then the Malak reached into the wind and took the knowledge from the garden. The birds forgot, the air forgot, the leaves forgot. Only Tefah remembered, and she was forgiven. The